Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Kitchen again. Guys, I just wanted to show you a little easy entertaining segment because I was lucky enough to get a delivery of my favourite brie. Guys, this is my favourite brie in the whole wide world. This is Ladafin. It's a beautiful French brie. Now, the reason I love it is oozy and drippy and it's got this beautiful presentation. So I thought I'd just show you how to tie it up. Say you're going to a little girlie's presentation or it's someone's birthday. This is a beautiful gift to take. So all we're going to do is get some beautiful strawberries. I've just washed them under the water, and all I'm going to do is cut these little babies in half. If you wanted to, you could bake this, but guys, on a Saturday afternoon, if you leave this out for about, I guess, 30 minutes in the lovely sunshine, it's going to become all oozy and drippy and absolutely sensational. So all I'm going to do is tart this up with a few little strawberries around the outside. So when we go over to one of our girls' places, we're going to get some nice cold champagne glasses, and we're just going to open the champagne, pour it out. Then we're going to have some beautiful crackers, and we're going to jump right into this. Does that sound like a plan? Sounds delicious to me, and it sounds like a good time. So that's all I'm doing, is putting loads of strawberries on there. Now, if you wanted to, you could make a really tight second circle around, or you could just leave it as. It's totally up to you. I just like to give you a ton of ideas so then you can run away and make all these executive chef decisions yourself. I might actually get another little strawberry in there, that cheeky little sucker anyway. Now guys, you know I told you how much I love my zester, so we're just going to get the zester, and I've got some pistachio nuts here. We're just going to make a little pistachio dust. So all we're going to do is zest this down, and see all that beautiful dust that's falling from the heavens? That's going to go in the centre of our cheese, and it's going to taste amazing. So we've got a few little... So it's amazing how much dust you get from one little pistachio. So I'm just going to give that a little bang in the centre, and I'll get my little half moon here, and we'll just scrape that up, and we're just going to dust that guy just into the centre. So I've got that beautiful pistachio dust. Then I've managed to get some figs at the shops today. So I'm just going to cut them in quarters, and then I'm just going to squeeze their bases till the little head comes up like that. And then what we could do, if you wanted to, we could drizzle some honey or balsamic vinegar over the top of them. And if you wanted to make it a little bit more luxurious, you could bake them in the oven. So imagine putting all those beautiful figs around the outside. Then we could put crackers over the outside as well. And there you have it, guys. You have a magnificent brie cake ready for your champagne glass and your girly party with my lovely Ladafin cheese. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. See you later.